Gold and silver traded range bound for the day. Remember the levels which we had discussed few hours back: 27.66.68 on the upside, 27.56.58 on the downside. It has respected this zone so far. Likewise with silver, it has failed to break beyond 30.60. Now what to expect today? Big day today. Yes, we have the Fed's interest rate decision and then Chairman Powell's speech and conference. Definitely, lot much of volatility can be expected here. Now, what to expect, where to enter, how to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the gold on the hourly charts. You can see after this dip here, it is traded with a retracement. See this, how it has been trading: lower highs, higher highs, lower and higher lows are being seen here. And if you look at the formation after this dip, we have seen a bounce back and it is now retracing on the downside. Now yes, you have to wait for it to trade below 27.56 levels in order to confirm further down move, where you can expect the prices to move towards 27.50, the first support zone. 27.50, 27.45, 44 and 27.40 are the three key levels which gold needs to break. Remember, it is trading in a retracement channel, and when it comes out of this retracement channel, and that is, it means that if you see gold trading below 27.40 today, you can say a bigger correction is on the way, where you can expect 27.30 and 27.20 levels, the next target, below which you can in fact see 2700. But right now I can see a very much range bound movement. Another thing to look here is the resistance it is getting on the upside. Very strong resistance available here on the upside at 27.66.68 zone. Thus that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy, and then you can expect it to move towards 27.72 plus levels. The stock stick looking downwards. The MACD just crossed over, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness looking downwards. The RSI is dropped as well. On the 2 hour charts, when similar is the observation on the 2 hour charts. Remember, still we are looking at lower lows, lower highs here in the near term. Though after this dip, it is forming higher lows, higher highs. But if you look at the formation, it is forming a nice bearish flag here. Where are the lows of this flag? The lows of the flag are now towards 27. Now, if you look at the 2 hour charts closely, you can find out the 20 period moving average is proving out to be a very good support so far. And thus, it is very important for gold to now trade below 27.56.54 zone, below which you can expect slight bearishness. And even then, if it breaks below 27.56.54 zone, you can expect 27.50 and 27.45 levels as the next stronger supports here on the downside. If you look at the stock, I think this is dropped to the bottom. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. The RSI is looking downward. Slight bearishness is observed here. Coming to the 3 hour. Now notice on the 3 hour charts, a flat top is seen, and whenever you see such flat top, this means that prices are ready to reach, and we can see the formation here as well. But there are critical support which it needs to break below, specifically below 27.54.56 and then 27.50.48. You can see more bearishness, and then 27.45.44, 27.40 till 27.40. Extremely strong supports are available for gold, so I will definitely watch out. But this is very important formation. Look at the candles here, how strong is the resistance at 27.66.68. So that is the only point above which I will recommend you to buy, else it is still not on buys. Stock stick looking down. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. Now this is also important on the 4 hour chart. See, bullish candles were bigger in size and the retracement candles are smaller in body here. But another point to note here is, every time it has spiked towards 27.66.68, it has got a greater resistance there, and finding the resistance, it is trying to look downwards. Very important for it to trade below 27.56.54 zone, which should be a very good support. Remember, it is looking downwards, and once it breaks the support, the candle sizes are going to get bigger. We can see a move towards 27.50, and then in fact towards 27.45.40 levels are also possible, below which you can expect a greater correction here. Notice what we are observing. Again, I am highlighting this fact to you. And yes, once it breaks out of this channel is where the bulls are waiting, that is 27.66.68 zone. Stock stick looking down. The MACD is bearish here. It is tried to cross over and failing to do so. Again, starting to diverge, slight bearish sign. It is RSI dropping here. Coming to now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now notice what's happening on the daily charts. Look at the yesterday's candle. Higher lows were seen and lower highs were seen. These were the candles of consolidation. And if you look at, this was the reversal sign. First bearish candle, a bounce back, and now it is again ready to take a direction. Now ready to take a direction means it needs to now trade below 27 50 40 zone. Once it trades below 27.40, I will expect it to deliver a good round of blow where you can expect it to move towards 27.30, or in fact lower levels 27.20 is also possible. See, it is trading with too much of divergence and it may start to converge here to. However, as I said, till 27.40, you have to be extremely cautious with the sells here. It can bounce back strongly on the upside. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover in order to confirm a reversal. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, very simple, buying at around 27 66 68 zone. Only and only if it breaks this zone, you can expect it to deliver a rise. And even if it trades beyond 27 66 68, remember 27 72 74, 27 78 80. These two levels are going to hold the key today. Any move beyond 27.80 is where you can say now at least we can expect it to move towards 27.86, the last week's high, and then 27.90, the record high levels. Below 20, beyond 27.90, this time it is going to be trade beyond 2800 levels. Remember this fact. If it is breaks the all-time high levels at 27.90, we are looking at 2802 and 2820 levels as well. While the move right now is on the downside, and I will recommend you to sell here at 27.56.54 zone. Expect it to move towards 27.48.50. First target zone 27.44.45. Second and 27.38.43. If it breaks below 27.38.40, stay short here. 27.30 and 27.20 are the next targets which it would like to achieve, and in fact it can trade below 27.20 as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. On the hourly charts, moving average is crossing over here. Very good support is formed here at 30-40 zone. Very important for silver to trade below 30-40 30 zone, and only if it trades below 30-40 30 you can say that the bears are taking over. Also on the upside now, 30-60 is the zone it needs to break. And remember, even if silver trades below 30-40 30 the next support levels towards 30-30-10 is going to be the strongest here. Only and only if it trades below $30 levels, you can say now the bears are back. See the crossover here is definitely a good sign for the bulls. However, on the upside, I can see a greater resistances on the upside here. So this is something you should keep an eye on. The stochastic rising, the MACD is also has retraced sharp and it is now comfortable. RSI right now trading with modest bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. Notice for the last few candles, see a reversal sign was seen, and after that a stronger rise is seen here. Higher lows and higher highs are, and now it is very important for silver to trade first below 30-40 30-30 zone, and only if it trades below this, then you can expect 30-10 and 30. Below 30 is where the bears are waiting. As long as 30 is respected, you have to be careful with the sells here. Notice what is happening. Slightly lower highs are seen and slightly lower lows are seen, so it is still trading bearish here. On the upside, remember, once it trades beyond 30-60 and 30-80, still till 31, do not treat this as bullish. So this complete zone between 30 and 31 is the zone where we have to put extra effort and watch out more closely how it behaves in this zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. The RSI is retraced on the 3 hour charts, and on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Notice after this bigger dip, it has retraced and it is now looking downwards. And see, now it is finding a little resistance here on the upside, and I can see it getting a little resistance here. Yes, we have to watch out how it behaves, because see, this is narrowing triangle, and if it breaks here on the upside, that means a move beyond 30-60-65. If it trades above this, you can expect 30-80 and in fact 31, and then beyond this it will move to the sky. But right now I can see it is trying to retrace a bit. Just watch out how it behaves at around 30-40 30-30, dropping below which you can say this is the a reversal and more drop can be seen here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See retracement, first bullish candle. It is possible that it can deliver a second bullish candle here. So right now I will not yet conclude that it is turning bearish, as long as now 30-40 30-30 zone is not taken. Only and only if it trades below 30-40 30-30, I'll say that the bears are taking over, else it is still not bearish. First bullish candle after a series of retracement, you can expect the second one to be here soon as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over at the bottom and it is trading with little divergence and bullishness. The RSI is running flat. On the daily charts, see yesterday's candle again here also, it was a consolidation where higher lows lower highs are seen. This is consolidation today. It has started with a breakout here, but it has failed to trade beyond 30-60-65. That is a zone above which anyways it is going to turn bullish, and beyond it you have to stay bullish. But right now what is happening, see the drop, it is a bounce back, and now if it trades below 30-40, 30-30, you can say that the bears are taking over. You can expect it to move towards 30-10-30, and any drop below 30 is a clear sign of more bearishness. Then you can expect 29-80-75 and 29-50-40, and any drop below 29-50-40 is a clear sign of more correction here in the silver prices. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trying to cross over for sell, the RSI running flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 30-60-65. 65 should be the ideal entry point. Beyond this, expect it to move towards 30-80-85 first, 31-31-10 second, 31-25 third, and 31-50 levels the next. Yes, potential is there. If it breaks out beyond 31, we are looking forward to a greater rise here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 30-30 levels, expected to move towards 30-15, 30-29-80, and then 29-50. Any drop below 29.50 is a crash in making, where 29-28.80 should be achieved here. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.